Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools. Install Unity 2020, 3 LTS or newer, and add mobile modules if needed. Once done, import the Zepeto SDK package into your project. This brings avatar prefabs, scripts, and sample scenes. Make sure to adjust project settings, API compatibility level, graphics API, and player settings for the platform you plan to target. This prevents runtime errors. After that, save the scene and confirm the SDK appears under Assets so you can move to content creation without interruptions. You now bring avatars and environment together. Drag a Zepeto avatar prefab into the scene and inspect its hierarchy. Confirm root transforms are zeroed and scales match scene units. Next, attach or assign animation controllers and colliders. Zepeto components like Zepeto Transform and Zepeto Animator must be present for proper networking and pose sync. Then configure your main camera, lighting, and layer masks so avatars render correctly and avoid clipping. Finally, test play mode locally to verify animations and interactions before building. You finish by preparing a clean build. Open build settings, add your main scenes, choose target platform and scripting backend like IL2 CPP for release builds. Once built, deploy to a device or emulator and validate avatar network sync, animation timing, and Zepeto SDK callbacks. Use Unity console and device logs to catch errors. When all checks pass, follow Zepeto submission requirements and upload your package. If something fails, try the troubleshooting tip below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.